YouTube? It's your girl Jess, back with another one. Thank you for sticking with me. I'm walking to Wawa. I'm on the highway walking because I took my car to the mechanic to get my brakes done. I'm about to go on Wawa and get let me cross this street while the light red. So I won't get hit. Come on. But like, comment, subscribe, bang on that notification bell so you know every time your girl come through. Thanks for sticking with me once again. But this is basically what's going on. I'm getting my brakes done, so my brake, I don't know if you can see it, but it's across the street, across the highway right there. And I'm walking to Wawa or whatever. This is Wawa right here. I'm walking to Wawa to get money out the ATM, which I should have did before I even got to the mechanic shop. But let me go in here real quick and go to this ATM and get some bread, and I'll be right back. Walking out of Wawa right now. Yo, I hate, right, when, first of all, I hate a rude motherfucker. Let's just get that, and excuse my language to whoever watching this, but I can't stand a rude person, bro. Like, I really can't. And it be minor stuff like holding the door or just little things, bro. Like, all you gotta say is thank you. That's it. All you gotta say is thank you. Like, what's so hard about that? Thank you. Excuse me. I apologize. You know what I mean? For being rude. I need to tighten my sweatpants. But it's just like, it's rude as hell for real. But anyway, back to the conversation at hand, right? Yo, these cops is out here flying. Let me stand right here, because he might cut this corner. Because, like, two of them just hit the corner. Oh, he must have went the other way. They looking for somebody. But, yeah, so I'm getting my brakes done. I ain't got no choice but to, spend this bread on my brakes, get my brakes done. I've been out here squeaking for mad long, y'all. Going back and forth to work, running my errands. On the weekend. My eyes be watering, but running my errands on the weekend and stuff, whatever. I just came to show y'all love, you know what I mean? Put something out there, talk to y'all, whatever. But I gotta go from getting my car washed, getting my brakes done, to getting my car washed, to getting a little bit of food in the house. And, you know what I mean? Just handling different things, man. Just handling different things. I ain't want to be sliding or nothing like that. I'm going. Oh! I ain't want to be sliding or nothing on the way to work, so I called out of work or whatever to make sure my brakes got done. So that's what I'm doing now. And I'm gonna pull back up when my brakes get done, when everything's done. We'll be on to the next spot or whatever, things I gotta handle or whatever, do throughout the day before I go back in the house and relax and chill and stuff like that. So, and they do take a minute, but they do a good job, man. I ain't gonna hold you, they do a good job. Oh, this is what I wanted to tell y'all. Yo, I've been doing videos on Snap or whatever. I think something wrong with my phone. I ain't gonna hold you because it happened before. But I've been doing videos on Snap, and it's like the sound will go out or whatever. And it happened to me like twice before. But I be having other stuff to pay and all that, whatever. So I just, upgrading my phone is not a priority right now. So, can I do it? Yeah. Would it be dumb for me to do it at this point? Yeah, but I know I need a phone because my phone is starting to act up or whatever. Certain things is just like, bruh, come on. Like, I'll be in the middle of the video, then I go and like preview it or whatever to post it or whatever, and the sound just go out. So, and I know it's not my phone. I mean, I know it's not like the app or nothing like that because it's I can hear it. Like if I play somebody else snap or whatever, I can hear them. But I don't know. It's about. I think it's time for me to like upgrade my phone. But listen, right? I gotta get back in here, pay these men for doing my breaks and stuff like that or whatever, so they can start on doing my breaks. I'll be back when I get to the next spot. I'll be back or whatever when they done. Yo, it's 3:15. I came to White Castle. Got some chicken wings. Fries. And 4 sliders. It's 3:15. They still not done in my car. Mind you, this is the first time I'm eating all day. They're gonna tell me that the parts that Toyota put on my car, as far as my brakes and rollers, my brakes and rollers, is 4 different there's 4 different brake pads and stuff like that, whatever. So I guess he must have ordered them or something and they're waiting on them now. It's 3 something in the afternoon. Y'all didn't notice that when y'all took my tires off? Bruh. It's pissing me off, man. It's pissing me off. Like I said, it's the first time I'm all day. I'm ready to like do what I gotta do and go in the house. But I gotta wait for my car. It's been a long day, and I ain't even getting nothing done. Best friend calling. Hold on. I said hold on like I'm on the phone with y'all. I'll be right back. I'm back, y'all. My bad. My best friend called in. But yeah, it makes me mad, man. I've been here all day. All day. Oh, no. All day just with some brakes and rollers. It's cold. I mean, they got a sitting area, but like, it's cold. I do have a heater. Well, not me per se, but they do have a heater in there that I've been directly sitting in front of. But don't understand, man. I just been like, what the fuck? At this point, I just want to get my car and go home. But I can't. I gotta make it to the car wash. I gotta put food in my house because I'm running low. Just agitated and aggravated because I hate when I'm like on schedule, so to speak, and something knock it off. Like, by this time I was expecting, because I knew I wasn't gonna make it to work because I knew from the work they took long, but goddamn. It's crazy. Yo, this Sprite pineapple from White Castle is banging. I'm sorry, y'all. I was so hungry and thirsty. I haven't eaten all day, so I'm just chilling for a while. I'm waiting to go to the next spot so we can. Then I mean, we can move. We can make moves, like. Shit crazy what the day bring. It's been a long day and I ain't even do nothing. I've been at one spot all day. It's crazy. No, she's leaving. Just got done working. I know that's right. Out of here. I be the same way when I'm at work. When it's time to go, it's time to go. I ain't even gonna hold you. When it's time to go, it's time to go. But once again, I'm gonna pull back up when my car is done. Like, comment, subscribe, bang on that notification bell so you know every time your girl come through. As soon as I upload, the notification should be at the top of your phone. Don't forget. Don't forget. I'm gonna pull back up when my car is actually done. Finally, we done, gang. Finally. Yep. Look at my baby. She dirty. Dirty. We can finally hit the fucking car wash. Finally hit the car wash, man. But that's what I get for not, like, coming to get my brakes done as soon as I recognize my brakes need to be done. And when it comes to my car, I'm not usually a last minute person because I actually take care of my car. Like, I don't be on no bullshit with my car. Like, if something need to be done, I go and get it done. But this time I just was like at work, crazy, running around every weekend. trying to do other things, trying to get other things done or whatever. But he took it for a spin to make sure whatever he did was right. So it's my guys. I come to them all the time. I don't know if you see the name in the background or whatever, but I come to them all the time. If I don't go to Toyota, I come to them. Those are the only 2 people who touch my car. So just in case something go wrong, I know who to come back to. But yeah, I'm waiting on him to come back now. We can finally go to the car wash. I gotta go to them first because I don't know when they close. So I'm gonna go to them or whatever, and then I'm gonna come back. There's always one person with these loud ass cars. But yeah, I don't know exactly when they close, so I'm gonna go to them first or whatever. Then I'm gonna come back because the store I need to go to is literally across the highway. But I'm gonna go further out first and then come back in, so that way when I go to the store, I could just go straight home. I ain't gotta go nowhere else. I really want to go in the house right now. I ain't even gonna hold you, but I'm gonna go handle my business. I feel like I've been out all day or whatever, which I have, but I've been in this one spot. Like I had like a schedule in mind. Like, I get my car done. I know it's gonna be a little minute. Let me get my car done. Let me go to the car wash. Let me go to the grocery store. But man, I'm just like tired from doing nothing though. I'm just tired. All this traffic going on, people getting out of school. I mean, not school, getting off of work by now, because school let out like 2:30, between 2:30 and 3:30. But I'll check back in when we on the way to the next spot. We on the move. We on the move. Thank God for the heat. On the way to the car wash. Them brakes feel good, boy. Thank God. I wish they hurry up so I could make this turn. But on the move is 4:36, and we're just now getting to the next spot. But besides all that or whatever, the car stopped. I was wondering why the cops was sitting there blocking the door. Somebody's car either shut off, got stuck, broke down. Lord help them, whoever it is. But yeah, we're on our way to the car wash. I really just want to go in the house, but I can't. I gotta handle whatever I need to handle. The goal is to get everything done. Everything that I need to get done, get it done. And the fact that I took off of work is no reason why I shouldn't. So, I'm gonna get it done. I feel like when I go to the grocery store, I'm gonna have to go to multiple grocery stores if I really want to get what I want. But I really don't, need to be eating a lot of stuff. I don't get how they did my brakes and my mirror is like off. Make that make sense. What is they doing? But yeah, so I just came, to keep y'all updated. By all means, I'm gonna keep y'all updated all day on what's going on. I'm surprised I didn't fall asleep, honestly, because I usually, when they do my car, I usually go in the waiting area and fall asleep because it's like comfortable. It's comfortable. So, but I think I was just so like, honest. I got a good night's rest. And it's crazy because I don't go to sleep till like 4 in the morning. Yo, I was on Clarence Twitch. And he went off. And I don't blame him. I don't blame him at all. But he been saying, turn on this heat. He been saying that he will step behind Queen every time. And I love it. I love it, bro. I love it. So, as he should though, as the man in the relationship or whatever, you should protect your girl, your lady, your woman, whatever you call her. You should. By any means necessary. But it's like, Chris, let it go, bro. Let it go. Let it go. Like, it's over for you. It been over for you. Like, oh, closed for rebid. Oh, I was about to say they closing the McDonald's right here. Even though I ain't eaten McDonald's in so long. So long, like super, super, super duper long. I shouldn't have ate that White Castle, but it was, I could have went to Fridays, now that I'm thinking about it. But I don't eat out like I used to. Honestly, I really don't. I really don't. I be trying not to. But I ain't had no choice today. That White Castle was the first thing I ate all day. And I ain't even supposed to be eating that. So, well, I couldn't go a whole day without eating. So, I'm just chatting it up with y'all. Thank y'all for even watching this long. Cause, whew, I really feel like I did a lot today. And I only was at that one spot. Like, I really feel like I did a lot. Like, I was going from store to store. Like, I was in and out of the car. I really feel like I did a lot. Like, it's so crazy. Please go. Please act like you know how to drive. Because, like, move up. Right. Crazy. No, don't do it. You're gonna cause an accident. Thank you. But yeah, like, what is going on? I would have stopped for the kids regardless, but yo, kids nowadays look older than me. And I ain't talking about like looks wise, right? I'm talking about like height, build, everything. Like, it's like, are you really in high school? Like, what grade are you really in? Like, why you look like you need to be in college? But yeah, Clarence went off, and I don't blame him. What a way to drop the fucking mic. Okay? What a way to drop the mic. And then catch a flight and go chill with your family. You hear me? Like, and this is like, all jokes aside, like, I'm like kind of laughing at it because it's like, it's people, and this is me generally speaking, right? You never know what you got till it's going as a real, true quote, statement, whatever you want to call it, right? And Chris tries so hard. Like, you try so hard to make Queen miserable, and she ain't even thinking about you, bro. Like, she ain't even thinking about you. Probably when y'all talk, it's probably like about CJ, and that's probably it. And let's be clear, CJ old enough for you to contact him and him only. To be honest, unless it's like, you know, real, you know, serious stuff. Like, for instance, like, you would want to know if your child went to the hospital, or you would want to know if your, you know what I mean, if your child got something going on in school you might show up to, or something like that, or whatever. Like, other than that, what we talking for? Like, what are we really talking for? This road is bumpy. Oh, man. I ain't never want to be in the house so bad. I'm very much so outgoing. I ain't never want to be in the house so bad. But, I'm going to tune back in when we get to the next spot. Thank you for riding with me this long. It's been a long day. Y'all been with me all day. Waiting with me all day. So, thank you very much. But I'm going to tune back in when I get to the next spot. I ain't too far from it, so it ain't going to take too long for me to tune back in. But y'all been with me all day, and I appreciate it. But I'm going to tune back in a minute. Give me a minute. We made it, gang. We made it. I know it's almost 5 o'clock. I ain't know what time they we made it to the car wash. Thank God. Man. And I literally just want the outside. That's it. That's all. That's it. The basic wash. Just to get this snow off my car. What's up, man? The basic wash.
Basic wash.
Yeah, that's it. What time y'all usually close?
I think 5:30.
Oh, okay. Alright. That's why. So we really just made it. Sheesh. We really just made it. But I come here all the time. My mechanic guy, I always go to him if I don't go to Toyota, like I said earlier. I always come here. And yeah, for my car wash or whatever. Whether it's detail washing, whether it's the basic wash, whatever, I always come here because they always do my car right. Every time I go somewhere else, it's still like the water drippings, all that stuff. Like, why y'all ain't dry my car off right? Like, I'm confused. And car wash ain't cheap. Like, it's really not cheap. So, but yeah, it's not cheap at all. So, thank you. I think you're on the phone. But yep, I get the basic wash. Well, I'm gonna get the basic wash today. I usually get the VIP package. Either the VIP wash or the VIP plus. But I usually get that. Gang. Niggas left $1 in my shit. Real talk, look. Oh no, let me see. Look. Left $1 in my car. What the fuck? I don't carry cash. So I know it ain't my dollar. But guess who about to spend it? Thanks. Usually, let's be very honest, right? Because you know what? I'm going to keep it. Because it be a homeless person on Like, for real, it'd be a, on 1 and 9. Is it this part of 1 and 9? I'm trying to think to myself, I ain't gonna hold you, but it'd be a homeless guy or whatever that be like on 1 and 9 and stuff like that. So I might give it to him. Not might, I'm gonna give it to him. Because somebody blessed me and left it in my car, so I'm about to bless somebody else with it. But I know for a fact that I didn't have cash on me because I don't carry cash on me if I don't have to. I always use my card. So. Or even, well, I don't necessarily have to take 1 and 9 or to where I'm going. I'll figure it out though. Somebody will do that. I'll give it to somebody. A little kid, somebody. I gotta pass the blessing along. I really believe in that. When I can. Like, I really believe in that. So, it's gonna stay right there in my cup holder. I gotta get new seat covers. I want ones that's sturdy. Like, real sturdy. That I don't have to change on. Let me not trip because I just heard a squeaking noise. I'm trying to see, is it my car, which it shouldn't be, or I'll be back there tomorrow. Or is it somebody behind me, but it sounded like it was coming from the back. I don't hear it now. Oh, it's not me. Okay, I wasn't tripping. I'm sorry for the delay, but like, ooh, I don't miss living over here. I don't miss living over here at all. North Ave is backed up. All the way backed up. Like always. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm trying to pay attention to the road. Oh, shoot. I can multitask, but the area that I'm in is like, it's always backed up, it's congested. Then you got side blocks where you can barely even fucking see. When you turn, you gotta inch up, inch by inch. So 2 spots down, 1 more to go. Sheesh. Ow. Yo, this guy is on a scooter and he only has on a hoodie. Like, what? What do you do to that? Yava? Is that buffet open? Wig and beauty. Oh, they made that an even bigger beauty supply store. I don't be out here. Clearly. I don't be out here. What's that? Oh, they put the laundromat right here. Okay. Go, y'all. Come on. Mansion Studio. It's a barbershop and a salon. Yeah, salon on one side, barbershop on the other. Clearly, I don't be out here, y'all. Once I move from out here, I don't be out here like that. For what? I drive through. And I may stop. Of course, I go to the car wash. But other than that, I see the lights, but is it coming? Yeah, it's coming. This is what I be talking about. When you can barely, like, see, you gotta inch up every time. And hopefully ain't nobody coming or ain't nobody close. But, yeah, don't be out here. Oh, shoot. I'm getting tired. Like, I'm getting tired. One last stop. One last stop. One last stop. One last stop, y'all. I'm at the Dollar Tree, y'all. I gotta get bags, because in Jersey, they don't give us bags. You gotta buy it and get some. I'm at the Dollar Tree. To get a little bit of sides. And I hope you know his light on. But to get a little bit of sides and whatever. I shop everywhere, but I usually come to like Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Family Dollar, stuff like that to get like the bag vegetables. I'll take that. Thank you. I see it. So you would get like the bag vegetables and stuff. Oh, I gotta get that too. Excuse me. Thank you. Oh, this car is loud. Very much so loud.
Alright, go get your cart in the other house.
No, I got this at home. Alright, gang, I'm finally home. I gotta carry these bags. Thanks for being with me today. Thanks for bearing with me today. It's been a real long day. I'm about to go in the house. I gotta carry these 2 bags upstairs. I didn't even take. What is this? Oh, I forgot I had this. But yeah, I gotta carry these bags upstairs. Thanks for sticking with me. Like, comment, subscribe, bang on that notification bell so you know every time your girl come through. And I'm out.